explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 16 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is phrasal verbs. So in this chapter हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं about the phrasal verbs, right? So what are these phrasal verbs? Let us begin with the chapter and know more about them. A verb can be combined with an adverb or preposition to make phrasal verbs or the prepositional verbs, right? तो एक verb जो है वो combine किया जाता है एक adverb या फिर preposition के साथ ताकि ये phrasal verb या फिर prepositional verb कहा जा सके. It has also the formation which says verb plus adverb is equal to phrasal verb, right? So the examples are we sat down. Many phrasal verbs have an idiomatic meaning. जो phrasal verbs होती हैं, बहुत सी phrasal verbs ऐसी हैं जिनके जो meaning है वो actually idiomatic है, यानी कि idioms जो हमारी होती हैं उनसे related होते हैं, right? Example, how did this come about, right? So in this we can say verb plus position is equal to prepositional phrase, right? Example we have, we looked at the menu, right? Now, moving ahead, we have some of the phrasal verbs over here. Study the given table showing some phrasal verbs. तो यहाँ पर एक table है जिसमें बहुत सारी phrasal verbs हैं. Let's see कि इनके meanings क्या क्या हैं और इन्हें हम कैसे अपनी day to day conversation languages में भी use कर सकते हैं, right? So, the first one is breakdown, meaning collapse. And the example is the school bus broke down, right? Next, break into, meaning enter by force. Examples, the police broke into their premises. Next, break off, detach or terminate. Example, the engagement was broken off, right? Next, break out, meaning begin. Examples, the riots broke out in the city. Next, break up, meaning disintegrate. Example, the organization broke up after 10 years. Next, pull down, meaning demolish. Examples, that old building will be pulled down. Next, pull off, meaning succeed. Examples, at the last minute, he pulled off a victory, right? Next, pull through, meaning recover. Examples, I am sure he will pull through from this crisis. Next, pull up, meaning reprimand. And examples, she was pulled up for no aside, meaning save. Examples, the old woman put aside some money for his staff. Next, pull away, meaning tidy up. Example, you should pull away all those loose put down, meaning right. You must put down all useful phone numbers, right? Next, put forward. That means suggest. Examples, he put forward some useful tips. Next, put in, meaning claim. Examples, he put in a claim for the host. Next, put off, meaning postpone. Example, the function was put off. Coming up to the next one, run after, meaning pursue. Example, the children ran after the ice cream man. Next, run away. Meaning flee. Example, the culprit ran away. Run down, meaning speak ill of. Example, you should never run down your own school. Next, run into, meaning meet by chance. Examples, yesterday I ran into an old friend of mine. Right? After that, run out of, meaning nothing left. Examples, he ran out of petrol. Next, run over, meaning drive over. Example, the truck ran over a beggar. Next, run through, meaning rehearse. Examples, they had a run through before the final. Call something off, meaning cancel. Examples, the manager called the meaning off because he had to suddenly go out of town. Right? After that, the next thing, call on someone, meaning visit someone. Example, do call on my uncle when you visit Dubai. Next, call someone up, meaning phone. Example, I will call you up when I reach the resort. Check someone or something out, meaning look at carefully. Examples, please check out all the investigate candidates before allowing them to participate in the competition. Right? After that, come across, meaning find unexpectedly. Example, I came across these paintings in the attic of across my grandparents' house. Next, come down with something. That means become sick. Example, many students came down with malaria during the monsoons. Moving ahead, so that was all about the chapter. I hope you all found some more phrasal verbs with their meanings and you learned more with the help of the examples as well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.